Jab hurt him a little bit.
Straight punches we've seen all night. Huge straight punch lands, and he's got it hurt very bad. Working off of his back here. Looks like he may try to hip escape.
Oh, look at him jumping in to try to
That'll
get
do
him.
it! Do you believe it? Here tonight on the biggest of stages. Well, he's going to enjoy watching this one back. Let's take a look at the replay just a moment ago.
It was right hand after right hand after right hand. Finally, he found the one that hit the exact sweet spot, ended his opponent's night.